Okay, guys, the live comments that you told me to, guys, to do Algeria and to do me some kind of country called Philippines. No, I'm gonna do right now. First things first, I'm gonna show the alarm to you about the country, how they go, and I'm gonna show you guys. Here it is. Okay, so this is how it sounds like. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It sounds kind of lightly, but it sounds kind of loud. But it goes one beep to the other beep, but it doesn't stop. I'm gonna show you guys. Here we go. Okay, that's kind of loud, but it sounds from 1971. But it's just not that big. So yeah, the alarm was too loud, but I'll see you next time.